Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode in the shed. There's something missing, and it is the Laurel. So someone sent me a picture on WhatsApp that it kind of freaked the shit out of me. It was a scary face, and I couldn't go to sleep. I was full of all this energy because I had an energy drink before I was due to go to bed, which is kind of silly of me. So can't sleep. It is 20 to 3 in the morning. And I'm outside in the shed. I've decided that I'm moving the Laurel out because I just need this space, and I'm going to put it into the other one so I'll be able to work on it without the dog. Oh, sorry, I'm getting a bit crooked. Without the dog constantly being around. Want to schultz it, and I don't want her to be around when I'm doing it. So yeah, here we have it, moving it out. Here's the issue that I have. There is poor light. There's a bit of a lip here, and that can't go over it, so I need to jack her up a little bit up into the air, move a few things, and it's going into the shed that is over there in the corner, so I can just keep working on it away from the doggy. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, within a half an hour that is going to be over in its new place. And yeah, doing it here on my own again in the shed, where all you can do is talk to yourself and talk shite. So yeah, back to it anyway. So the battery's died in this clock, but my biggest fear is that I'm still going to be out here and this is going to be the accurate time. So 30 minutes has come past and I still don't have the Laurel inside in here. I was about to say Sephiroth. The Laurel inside in the shed where it has to be. So all this has to be cleared out, and yeah, I can start to get it moved in. There's my RB20 Neo that came out of a R34 Skyline. It's 2 litre non-turbo. That's going in the bin. The only thing I'm keeping is the alternator and the power steering pump. I'm using both of them in my Ceph. That's literally going to probably be taken off tomorrow, and that engine is getting dumped. Right, okay, yeah, it's the following day. I didn't get the Laurel into the shed because it got so dark last night, couldn't see what I was doing, and I was making a bit too noise, and I was worried I was going to wake people up. So I just said, you know something, I can't see what I'm at. I'm going to go to bed. Sort out today. So want to get the Laurel back into the shed today while I have the daylight. But first of all, first thing I want to do is I want to go and I want to get tyres on my Gartmaiers, because I want to get them put onto the Sephiroth, because I've got some really crappy wheels that are on it that I just don't really want them. So I got wheel spacers that are 4 to 5 stud conversion. Got them from Driftworks, so I'm going to put them onto the car. But first off, first thing that I need to do today before it gets dark is I need to get that Laurel in here, for the simple reason that there's no back window in it, and I'm not having it sitting out in the yard with the beautiful Irish weather and absolutely getting destroyed with rainwater. It's bad enough that the car was sitting outside in the rain before I bought it with no back window. So yeah, just need to clear all this shit out. Right, so gonna grab tyres and come back here, and then we'll start moving stuff. So this is why you don't buy a bucket of shit Evo out of England. That's one thing I never realised about Evos, they got this mad fucking lip on them for obviously the arches, wherever they're gone to. I would actually be afraid to go at this thing with a screwdriver, and you find out how much more rust is in it. Like, this thing is, there's a lot of work to be done for this yoke to be put back on the road. That's not even on Irish plates. So this is ridiculous. Whereas this yoke is an absolute beast. Out of all the cars from people that I directly know, this is by far my most favourite. Right, so I'm back here to get tyres. I think I'm after making an absolute balls of it. So the Gartmaiers are 9.5 by 18, and I read the sticker wrong. They're 225 40 18, and I don't think they're going to fit. So I'll give it a go though. I'll give it a go and try and see what'll happen. It'll fit. We'll stretch it on. Anyway, back to it. No light, no light. Right, it fit, it worked. Throwing the other one on. So Bri won't let me go home unless he cleans my wheels. Bit OCD. It actually just fits perfectly, except for the fact that you can't really open the doors to get out from either side. So eventually when the car is running, I'm going to have to be parking it as tight over to one side as possible in order to be getting in and out in it and not be banging off it the whole time. But happy enough now that it's inside. See, obviously no back window, so like can't leave it outside here because the back of it just fill up with water again. And not that it makes much difference because the car probably sat for I don't know how long, how many years or so with no back window in it anyway. So anyway, it's time to pick a winner for the stickers for Drift Ireland. Now I had 4 stickers to give away, and all people had to do is comment on the video, and I would pick out 4 random comments and they would win. So what we're doing is we're doing a random comment generator picker thing here for YouTube to see who's going to get it. So the way it's going to be is that the first 3 names out are going to get the small stickers, and then the big windscreen one is going to be the last name that comes out. Lloyd Kenny, so you are the first person to win a sticker. What do you say? Bring back Drift Ireland, back to the days of rose green. Colin Dunn, you got another sticker, so some good content on the history on Drift Ireland. I think it's originally where I seen my R32 for sale. Facebook ruined the forums, unfortunately. Third sticker goes to John Scannell, hashtag bring back Drift Ireland. Jeff Nelson. Well done, Jeff, you get the big one. Just like everyone else, I used to love doing up my build threads. It was nearly the inspiration to keep going with the next job on the car, just so you could write a decent update. And following all the builds too, it was much more enjoyable way of interacting with someone. Everyone's threads were shadowed by bunnies though. Bunny was king. Yeah, plenty of people seem to get a kick out of the bunny one. Whoever Bunny was, I think he had a starlet or something like that. But anyway, that is all the stickers that I have from Drift Ireland. Get in contact with me, send me on your details, and I will post the stickers out to you. And check out more videos that I'm going to upload. Hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll chat to you all soon.